What do you need before you start? Hello, so you have decided to start Kettlebells workouts. What do you need? If you are a man, you need to have 2 kettlebells, 16 kilograms each. Women start with weights of 8 kilograms. Weights can be of cast iron, steel, or dismountable. Besides that, you need an athletic belt, like this. It is very important for saving your back muscles. Use this belt during all the workouts with weights. For beginners, I recommend you use wristbands to reduce burden on the wrists. It is very important to have footwear on during the workouts.